Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to delete call record in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. Suppose if you have enabled auto call recording, if you have done previously some recording for some numbers, if you would like to now delete such call record, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the call button and go to the particular call. Okay, so here I click on this call and I have recording here. If it is recording, there will be a file like this, play button and sound delete like this. Okay, so if you would like to delete this call record, click on this delete button. Okay, just click on delete and click on delete. Call recording will be deleted. Okay, in the similar way you can select the contacts for which you have done call record and select delete, so that you can delete call record. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.